how to select the form for IT returns, sir?
Income tax returns are 7 types of forms.
Yeah, different types of them.
ITR1, ITR2, ITR3, ITR4, ITR5, ITR6, ITR7.
Correct.
So the selection of the right form is important.
Okay.
So if a person is having income from salary only, he has to select the required form of Form 1. And if he is having other income also, house property and business income,
Okay.
and what we'll call, if it is a partnership form, different form, ITR 5. If it is a company, ITR 6. And it depends upon, suppose a person is having taxable income of more than 50 lakhs, he has to select another form, ITR 2, ITR 3, like that. So it depends upon the person's sources of income and taxable income and status, partnership form, individual, company, like that. Also residential status, means if a person is non-resident, he cannot file ITR 1. Even if his income is less than 50 lakhs, he has to file another form. He cannot file ITR 1. The same way, if a person is having agricultural income of more than 5,000, he cannot file ITR 1, ITR 2, he has to go for another form, ITR 3, like that. So it depends upon the sources of income, the status, residential status, his status, and taxable income. And so all these things, they will decide the which form has to be used for filing the income tax return. If the wrong return of file is filed, the wrong return of income is filed, it will be treated as null and void by the computer center, CPTC Bangalore, Central Processing Center.
Okay.
It will make it invalid and we have to file afresh. If the time is over, I think it will be treated as invalid and we have to pay. If the wrong form is used, we have to file additional another form, but we have to pay interest and late filing if any. This is the charge, late interest we have to pay for late filing.
Okay.
So this is the importance of selecting right ITR form
Okay.
for filing a return of income, because this is most important. Sometimes if the person is has to file ITR 3, but he has filed ITR 1, then it will become invalid.
Okay.
It is not only that it is treated as, it will not be considered. It will be treated as invalid, as if it is not filed. Again we have to file.
Okay.
So if there is insufficient information, the return will not be accepted. The return will not be uploaded at all first.
Okay.
The information is not in full. Of the pay name change is name change is there, or Aadhaar link is not there, or date of birth is not correct. So all these details, if it is not correct, it will not accept. The return will not be filed at all.
Okay.
So that will be as if it is not filed at all. So it will create a lot of problem. Now we are facing so many problems because of new portal, because of slow process, slow acceptance of returns, and we are unable to get acknowledgements also within. Earlier we used to get acknowledgement immediately after filing the return, but now we are unable to get that because of the new portal and it is having some glitches.
Okay.
So these are the selection of right ITR is most important.
Okay.
Otherwise it will land in trouble to the taxpayer.
Okay.